Have you ever wondered if the best cordless vacuum cleaner could actually make cleaning feel effortless? Today, we're looking at 5 of the top-rated cordless vacuum models on the market, each with features that can completely change the way you clean. Links to the current prices for each product are in the description box below, so let's get started. Let's begin with the RYOBI 18V1 plus RSV18-0. When you pick up this vacuum, the first thing you'll notice is its lightweight build, which makes it incredibly easy to carry from room to room or even up and down stairs without strain. Because it's part of RYOBI's ONE Plus system, you can use the same 18-volt battery that powers your other RYOBI tools, which means you don't just have a vacuum, you have a flexible power system at your fingertips. The convenience of swapping batteries ensures you're never tied down by charging schedules, and it gives you the confidence to clean larger areas without interruption. As you start cleaning, you'll appreciate how the RSV18-0 is designed for quick, everyday use. Its cordless stick format makes it easy to maneuver into tight spaces, and the straightforward controls allow you to get started immediately. Imagine gliding it across your floors, seamlessly transitioning from hardwood to rugs with no cords to trip over or plug in. That sense of freedom is what makes a good cordless vacuum such a practical choice for everyday cleaning. Do you prefer a lightweight vacuum you can grab quickly, or do you like something with more power for deep cleans? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. The RSV18-0 also benefits from RYOBI's focus on durability. Built with the same ruggedness as their power tools, this vacuum feels sturdy in your hands, giving you confidence that it can handle regular use. The dust container is easy to empty, so you won't be fussing with bags or complicated mechanisms. This makes it especially practical if you're someone who wants a no-nonsense machine that just works when you need it. Finally, the RSV18-0 is especially appealing if you already own RYOBI products. The idea of sharing batteries across your tools adds a layer of practicality that few other brands can match. You'll feel like you're getting more value from your existing investment, and it makes this vacuum an excellent choice for households that want efficiency and convenience rolled into one. Now, moving on, let's talk about the LG CordZero A949. This vacuum immediately stands out because of its sleek design and premium feel. When you first set it up, you'll notice the dual battery system, which is one of its most impressive features. With 2 rechargeable batteries included, you can achieve extended cleaning sessions without interruption, giving you the ability to tackle large homes or multiple floors in one go. Imagine vacuuming for hours without worrying about running out of power. This is the kind of freedom the best cordless vacuum cleaner provides. As you use it, the motorized power nozzle adapts to different floor types, ensuring you get strong suction, whether you're cleaning thick carpets or delicate hardwoods. The vacuum's smart inverter motor is engineered for both power and efficiency, giving you consistent performance while keeping the noise level lower than you might expect. You'll feel the difference as you push it across the floor. The suction feels strong yet smooth, and the vacuum glides with surprising ease. Another standout feature is the compressor technology, which compresses dirt and debris inside the dust bin. This means you can fit more inside before needing to empty it, making the whole cleaning process more efficient. When it is time to empty, the bin opens easily, so you don't have to come into contact with the dust. This thoughtful design makes cleaning not only easier, but also more hygienic, especially if you're sensitive to allergens. The CordZero A949 also comes with a range of attachments that expand its versatility. From crevice tools for tight spaces to brushes designed for upholstery, you'll find yourself reaching for this vacuum not just for floors, but for furniture, drapes, and even your car. With its long runtime, powerful suction, and practical design, it's easy to see why many consider it among the top-rated cordless vacuum models available today. Next, let's shift to the Dyson V15 Detect Plus, a vacuum that feels like it's from the future. The first thing you'll notice is the laser detection system, which projects a green light across your floors to reveal dust particles that are invisible to the naked eye. It's a surprisingly satisfying experience to watch hidden dirt come to life under the beam, giving you the reassurance that nothing is being missed. This feature alone transforms the way you clean, making it feel both thorough and high-tech. The V15 Detect Plus is powered by Dyson's hyperdymium motor, delivering incredibly strong suction that adapts automatically to different surfaces. As you move from carpets to hard floors, the vacuum senses the type of debris and adjusts its power accordingly. This means you don't have to think about settings. You just clean, and the vacuum does the rest. The transition feels seamless, and you'll notice how effortlessly it lifts pet hair, crumbs, and fine dust. Another benefit is the LCD screen, which provides real-time feedback on the particles being captured. It doesn't just tell you that the vacuum is working, it shows you the size and quantity of dust it's removing. This level of detail makes cleaning feel more precise and even a little rewarding, as you can visibly track your progress. Would you find it motivating to actually see the dust and particles your vacuum is removing, or do you prefer to just trust the suction power? Drop a quick comment. I'm curious what you think. The V15 Detect Plus also comes with a range of specialized tools, including a hair screw tool designed to handle long hair and pet fur without tangling. Combined with Dyson's advanced filtration system, which captures 99.99% of particles, you'll feel confident that your home is not only visibly cleaner, but also healthier. It's no wonder this model is often recommended as one of the best cordless stick vac options for those who want cutting-edge performance. Now, let's turn to the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI Ultra. This vacuum immediately impresses with its sleek, modern design that feels more like a piece of high-end tech than a household appliance. One of its most remarkable features is the AI-powered cleaning system, which intelligently adapts suction power based on the type of surface and the amount of dirt detected. This gives you a sense of effortless efficiency, as the vacuum does the thinking for you, ensuring optimal performance every time. The Bespoke Jet AI Ultra also includes Samsung's advanced anti-tangle technology, which prevents hair from wrapping around the brush roll. If you have pets or family members with long hair, you'll notice how much easier this makes maintenance. The brush stays clear, the suction remains strong, and you won't have to pause your cleaning session to deal with tangles. Another standout aspect is the integrated clean station, which allows you to empty the dustbin automatically and hygienically. Instead of releasing a cloud of dust when you empty it, the clean station seals everything away neatly. This makes the process cleaner and more pleasant, especially if you're sensitive to dust. With its powerful suction, long runtime, and intelligent design, the Bespoke Jet AI Ultra feels like a premium tool that's built to make cleaning as seamless as possible. You'll enjoy the balance of power and smart features, and the stylish design ensures it looks just as good as it performs. For many, it's a good cordless vacuum that fits perfectly into modern homes where both performance and aesthetics matter. Finally, let's explore the Miele Triflex HX2 Pro, a vacuum that combines German engineering with thoughtful design. One of its defining features is the patented 3-in-1 configuration, which allows you to switch between upright, stick, and compact handheld. This flexibility means you can easily clean everything from wide-open floors to tight corners and even ceilings, all with the same machine. You'll feel like you have 3 vacuums in one, and the transitions between modes are smooth and intuitive. The Triflex HX2 Pro is powered by 2 replaceable Varta lithium-ion batteries, giving you up to 120 minutes of runtime. This extended cleaning time allows you to tackle large homes without interruption, and the inclusion of a second charger means you can always keep a battery ready to go. Imagine being able to clean your entire home in one session without ever worrying about running out of power. That's the kind of reliability this best cordless stick vacuum provides. Another highlight is the automatic floor detection system, paired with the extra-wide electro brush and brilliant light LED headlight. As you move from carpets to hard floors, the vacuum adjusts its performance automatically, ensuring you always get optimal suction. The LED light illuminates dust and debris in darker areas, making it easier to achieve a thorough clean. The HX2 Pro also features a maintenance-free HEPA lifetime filter that captures 99.999% of fine dust, allergens, and even viruses. This makes it an excellent choice if you or your family members suffer from allergies, or if you want the peace of mind that comes with cleaner air. Combined with its sturdy build, ergonomic comfort, and premium finish, The Triflex HX2 Pro easily earns its place as one of the top-rated cordless vacuum models. And that wraps up our look at 5 of the best cordless stick vac models you can get right now. Each one brings something different to the table, from long battery life to smart technology, so there's a perfect fit for every home. Which of these vacuums do you think would work best for your space? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your pick. Links to the current prices for each product are in the description box below. Check them out and see which one is right for you.